Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am having one dishwasher. It is brand wise Bosch brand. This dishwasher having problem. It's while it is running. When I select any option, it is running continuously. But before ending the cycle, within 10 or 12 minutes, machine getting stopped and continuously reducing time, but not functioning machine. But within few minutes, it's showing error message E09. This is my topic today. Try to resolve this issue. Now we will go to the next step. Now we have to remove the top cover. Here lock. We have to list off here 2 locks, and like that it will come. It's very easy. Now we have to remove the side covers, 2 side covers. You can see here the screws 2. It is Helenki type. Also here, and first of all we have to remove the bottom cover, bottom plate. Removing this one, having top here lock downside, we have to press this one and we can pull out. Other side also same. That remove this front leg, 2 legs. This will come like that. I already remove here 2 screws. After that you can take it, this cover. Now I am going to remove the control board, here lock. Also power supply cord. After that here one lock. This one you have to unlock and lift it up. It's like that it will come. Connections here. Now you can check here the heat pump. Also we disconnect here also heater line. Now we can release harness. Also here heater connection. Also thermistor. Now we can remove this support rubber band. Yes. Now we can take it out. Now we can take pump like that. It's easy. Now this is heater element. Now we can check it is whether working or not. Now I already ordered new motor. I already got the motor. Now I have to check again. This is the old one. Now I'm going to show you again. This one we are checking. This is the heater element. 2 and 3 we have to check. It's not showing here. This is old one, but this one we can check again. This is new one. You can check the continuity. It's showing 21.4 ohms. That means this heat element is okay. This is ground. We have to check the ground one also, but not showing with the ground. That means this motor is okay. We can check. We can fix. Here again I will show you. It's not showing. You can see properly. It's not showing. Now we can fix that one, the new one for the machine. I will show you how to fix that one. I'm going to fix new motor for the machine. First of all, we have to dry bottom, because if it is water, this floating valve, floating switch will come and it will show the error message. Because of that, we have to dry here first properly. To do here, take it out this clamp, because this one actually we cannot tie it after fixing, because this type of clamp. Because of that, we have to replace another clamp. Without clamp we cannot fix. It will come water leak. Because of that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to fix this clamp. This is stainless steel. It's not this one. See, it is stainless steel made in Spain. This good one we have to fix, because its water will come after that. It will get corrosion. It will get. Because of that, I'm going to fix this one first here. And we have to keep it up like that, and we have to fix motor here now. And this is the motor. Now first we have to do the clamp. We have to mount properly. Now you can see here, it's already mounted properly, the motor. Now we can tighten that clamp here. Now we can tighten this clamp. Before tightening, we have to take it down to tighten properly. Now you can see, be careful, you have to fix properly this one, otherwise you have to remove again, because if unfortunately water will leak, you have to remove again. Because of that, this job we have to do one time. Now it's okay, clamp came properly. Now we can tight here. It's like that we can tight. Also now we can fix the supporting band here. This one also don't forget. Now it's okay. Now again we tight little bit again this clamp. Now already tight. It's okay. I fix supporting band also. Now I have to give the connection. And this is the heater connection here. Also thermistor connection here. Okay, done. Now I have to give the connection for the, yeah, that one also came already. Now we have to fix that one also. The drain pump connection already came out. Now we have to fix that one also. It's okay. Now finally, sorry. Now finally we have to fix motor connection. Also we can fix like that. It's okay now. Now we have to keep the control box here. We have to lock. So like that. Now I can fix here control board cover also. Now it's okay. Now we have to check again, double check all the connection, drain pump, also heater connection, thermistor, motor, everything. Now we will start one test cycle. I given already power connection cable, power cable. Now we have to give the power and we will check with the water line, everything. After that we can decide it should work actually without any error message. Now we will test before fixing the machine. After that finally we can fix covers and all. Now we will check it will work or not. Now I already given power and water connection. Now I am going to select this is 55 minutes. Yes, all the options are the big option, but I am going to select this one 55 minutes. Yes, 55 minutes, and we will start. Now you can see it's water take into the machine. Now we have to check again it is whether water leaking or not. Properly check actually no any leakage. The motor start already, you can hear the noise. I will remove the cover again. I have to check water leaking or not properly. No any leakage. Now our job almost complete, but we have to check until finish the cycle. We will see it should work continuously without any error message, because this is the new pump. Now our job already completed. Now it's not showing any error message here, only remaining time showing 7 minutes. When I'm touching by my hand, its body is too much hot. That means heater is working properly. Now you can see it is already finished. Without any error, the cycle is already end. Now we can refix all the covers and everything. After that we can hand over to the customer. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly.